Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this orange from an acrylic swipe. So to get started, we're going to do the swipe. The base colors that I'm busy pouring on for that are all mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus 1 drop of silicone oil. To swipe, I'm using white paint, which is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This paint is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas, and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. Now for my favorite part. So now that the painting has dried, I'm using a drawing compass to help me draw the orange and mark off where the skin and the inside part of the orange will be. I'm painting white around the outside of the orange and some on the inside. I ended up adding 3 coats of white paint, which is what I needed to stop the background colors from showing through. Before getting started with this part, I actually wiped the canvas down gently with some warm water mixed with dish soap to clean off the silicone oil. And then I wiped that soapy water off with some plain warm water. If you want to watch me actually do that and get a bit more info, you can watch my video number 82 where I show that whole process. I'm using a Posca pen for some final touches to the orange. And I'm adding a little bit of orange paint around the edges, just lightly, and kind of blending it inwards. And then I thought I'd add a few leaves to finish off the painting. I'm still learning how to paint properly with a paintbrush. I watched a very helpful video, which I'll link in the description box, which might be helpful for you too if you're also still learning. So I'm using different shades of green. I'm starting with my brush just slightly touching the canvas and then pressing down to get a thicker stroke, and then just gently lifting back up again at the end to make that paintbrush thinner again for the tip of the leaf. So starting with my brush, just lightly touching the canvas, then gently pressing down to get a thicker stroke, and then lifting up at the end to make it thin again to create the tip of the leaf. I've definitely got more practicing to do, but I'm still pretty happy with how it turned out. And there we go with the final result. Thanks so much for joining me, and if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.